everybody, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. So today's video is going to be a fantastic hair care video. Today I'll be talking about some new products, a new range, a rice hair care range by Mamaearth that I've been trying, I've been using, and I want to review it for you guys. So I have shot my hair wash clip and hair oil clip a little bit. So I have just washed my hair and I just blow dried it, and this is what my hair looks like. So I'm giving it away in the beginning itself. This is, my hair is like jhadu. So if something can make it manageable and it can tame it, then that is my kind of go-to hair care product, and I used it and I really liked it. So basically rice water or fermented rice is really good for skin, hair. It has been like there for ages. So I was very excited and I was very intrigued and very excited when Mamaearth launched their rice water hair care range, their shampoo and conditioner, and I absolutely love it, and especially the fragrance. I'm going to talk about it in a bit, but let me just quickly tell you guys that this is what my hair is after the wash, and it is so good. It just takes out everything, whatever oil, greasiness, any kind of gunk that you have. It just cleans your scalp really nicely. Gives a squeaky clean feeling, and then of course you're left with really shiny and very soft and very manageable hair. So that is one thing that I want to talk about. Let's quickly get started with the video. So the first thing that I have over here is this rice water shampoo, then I have this rice water conditioner, and then I have this rice hair oil. I go in a ulta way. So basically I apply the rice hair oil twice or thrice a week, depending on my level of tolerance of oil during summers, but I still kind of manage to oil my hair because obviously oiling hair is very important. This rice hair oil is very good. I use rice bran oil for cooking purposes as well. Rice bran is extremely healthy. This one is very healthy. It has rice bran and coconut is something of course very staple, especially in tropical country like ours, India. We use coconut oil every single day, almost every single day, either for cooking or I use it to remove my makeup. So when they came out with this rice water along with coconut, I thought this was a perfect combination. So I use it generally to massage my scalp. It's very good. And then of course it doesn't really matter, this mid part doesn't really matter, but I just go ahead and apply in this jhadu wala part because this is very unmanageable, and this does a good job. It's very lightweight oil. It is not heavy at all. So summers mein to ye chal jata hai, and it has a very nice fragrance of something like rice bran, but of course that familiar fragrance of coconut. It's like really nice. It's beautiful fragrance actually. This is, I think, one of those times when a fragrance of oil doesn't really bother me, and you just apply it, leave it for half an hour or 1 hour. If you can't leave it overnight, that's what I actually do. I apply it an hour before I wash my hair with the shampoo. So that's what I do, because leaving it overnight in the summers right now is not possible. So this one is actually a very good damage repair oil. If you have damage, or if you, especially like the way I do, heat treat my hair every single day, you need a little extra care. So that's why I like to apply over here, because this thing is almost dead. Like the ends are almost dead, because you use a tong, a heating tool, a straightener, or a curling tong, and then of course this gets really bad. So I can't go to the salon of course to get a trim or anything. So it's better to actually oil it to keep the split ends in control, and of course make it healthy and nourished. So let me tell you that all the products by Mamaearth are chemical free. They use all natural ingredients, so you will not have any problem. I've been using their products, I think it's been 2 years now, maybe over 2 years now. I've been using their products and they're amazing. They've not done me any harm, be it skincare or hair care or whatever. Now this one actually, of course, this, I didn't read it over here guys, this actually strengthens the split ends, it strengthens the hair roots, and of course it prevents hair breakage. So it's a really good hair oil. I absolutely love this hair oil. It's very lightweight formula, and that is something of course I will give it an extra point for the lightweight formula of this particular product. This is priced at rupees 399 for this 150 ml ka bottle, and it's really good. Mamaearth is actually one of those brands that actually believes that the goodness kind of lies in the little steps or the little choices that we make in our everyday lives. They have been really conscious environment wise, and that is something I really appreciate about Mamaearth. They recently released their report card on Earth Day, and they have actually been very transparent as to how many plants they've planted as a part of their Plant Goodness initiative. And the stats actually mentioned in there that, you know, when the report card was actually released, they had actually planted 1 lakh trees as a part of their goodness initiative. Also, you know, they are a plastic positive brand, so the report card also says that they have actually recycled 1,135 metric tons of plastic, which is amazing. We have absolutely no idea as to how much of plastic we actually generate on a day-to-day basis, and if this brand is doing something, you know, a little bit extra for the environment, we should always appreciate it. And of course, during these hard times, they have distributed some 50,000 sanitizers and around 20,000, you know, cloth masks to the COVID heroes, which I think is a commendable job. So moving on with my hair care, I'm going to talk about this particular shampoo that I really want to talk about. I love this shampoo. So this is called as rice water shampoo. It has rice water and keratin in it, and of course this is a damage repair shampoo. It is extremely good, especially if you have chemically treated hair, or you know, if you have very dry hair. Naturally people have dry hair, so if you have like very oily scalp and you know, very dry split ends, then you can go for this particular shampoo. It's absolutely mind-blowing, I would say. It is like a translucent or a transparent sort of a shampoo, but smells so good. It has such a good fragrance. Both of these has a really good fragrance. I mean, I have to tell you guys, especially for the summers, this fragrance is mind-blowing. Now, I told you guys the problem area for me in my hair is the split ends, so this tames that, which is a very good thing. Of course, it strengthens your roots. I massage my shampoo in my scalp because I get really greasy in it after I wash it, so it's nothing, it's just simply blow dried hair after I have washed it. So really like it, you know. I don't know, history has it, yeah, the Guinness Book of World Records actually mentions a woman with the longest hair actually used rice water to, I don't know the exact story, but yes, she used rice water you know, as a part of her hair care regime, you know, every time she washed her hair. So all the goodness is actually in this shampoo. If you want longer hair, stronger hair, shinier hair, go with this shampoo. Of course, this shampoo is complemented with this particular conditioner. It is a very nice conditioner. I love the consistency. It's kind of it's not like a hair mask, but it is definitely a little bit more thicker than a normal conditioner would be, and therefore it provides much more moisturization and nourishment. It actually nurtures the hair and smells so good because you just, you know, rinse it off and the hair is left smelling so beautiful. Really, this range has such a good fragrance that I cannot really, you know, talk enough about it. This shampoo is priced at Rs 349 for 250 ml, and so is this conditioner, 349 for 250 ml. But they're always available on discount and available on a lot of websites. Of course, it is available on their own website, which is mamaearth.in. Then it is available on Nykaa, Flipkart, Amazon, on a lot of websites. Of course, you'll find it on discount, but especially if you're buying it from mamaearth.in, you can use my coupon code, which is Sana2021, and if you use this coupon code, you will get 20% off on your purchase of Mamaearth products. So it is a very good deal. But again, go ahead, see where you're getting the best deal on which website, and purchase according to the best deal that you get. So that was my little bit of a hair care thing that I wanted to share with you guys. Also, I have to tell you this, that Mamaearth has actually launched their app. They have their app on iOS devices and Android devices, and I will leave the link of their apps in the description box below. You can download it from Google Play, or you can download it from your Apple Store, you know. I'll leave the link of it in the description box below. I'm also going to leave the link of all these products in the description box below. Go ahead, try this hair care range out. It is really good, especially in this time when you can't go to the parlor, you know, get your split ends done and all of that. It is good to manage your split ends with something which is natural and chemical free, such as these products. So guys, that was my small little review about the Mamaearth Rice Water Shampoo, Mamaearth Rice Water Conditioner, and the hair oil. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you've used this particular range, let me know what you feel about these products in the comment section below. I would really appreciate it. And yes, if you've liked this video, please do not hesitate to hit that like button, be a part of this beautiful family by being subscribed to my channel, hit that bell notification so that you can get updates on my future videos. And yes, this goes without saying, if you have any questions or whatever, leave it in the comment section below. Any question whatsoever, or anything that you have to say, put it in the comment section below. I'll get back to you. So thank you so much once again for watching. I'm going to see you in my next video very soon. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Stay safe, stay indoors, and take care of yourself. I love you all so much. Bye guys. Mwah.